Hey guys, it's me, Jonas here, and oh yeah, Ryan's not here next to me because yeah, I don't know. Let me just bring my let me just go to Ryan. Okay, let's see. So you can see this slide, right? Like this playground. Look at this, it's so fabulous, but still old. And then there's Rayon. Depressing Rayon. Okay, Rayon, just say what happened.
Okay, so today we're not gonna do an intro because I'm actually sad, and even Jonas should come here to say. You see, last 2 weeks ago, we got caught, and last week, look, in life they're sometimes bullied, and other people, and they do stuff you don't like, but show them.
Okay, so
Okay, so last week.
so do you guys remember about the fort we've been making for ages?
Yes.
And this is what happened after.
It got destroyed. It was this week. I have no idea if it was yesterday, but I know who it is, okay? I know it's someone from school.
Hey,
and I know
hey. No, but
we're not gonna say
really
names.
say.
I'm not gonna say really names, but
we might not know if it is that person.
yeah, we don't know if it's exactly that person, but so last week it also got destroyed, but me and Jenna rebuilt it. I don't have the strip, like this.
Oh, look, they're growing some leaves.
No, I want to stop Jenna.
That's cool. What? Yeah. Sad moments. We've been working for this for ages, now it's gone.
Even if we do build it again, I bet they're gonna come again and destroy it.
And it'll stay the same.
But I'm not gonna keep this on. I'm gonna move on. That's just the end of this video. And yeah, just check out our new video, next one.
Bye guys, and if you find out that person who did it, tell us. Bye.